Country runs and banjo strums, they calling out your name. Been damn near half a year since the last time that it rained. Hotter than a kitchen, it's enough to go insane. Oh, go on and get it, what are you waiting for? I love you too. Are you coming or going? Where are we at right now? Going? Oh, it's okay. It's late. Stay for this last song if you can. Can you do that? This last song is very important to me. I'll start over if you're staying. Alright. So this song's about all my favorite places to go. And every time I go to like somewhere cool, like, you know, like out here, or like California or St. Thomas or Denver, people are always like, it's cool out here, we get everything we could ever want, we get all the good bands come, we get all the best restaurants, but for some reason I'm bored. And the moral of the story is, if you don't like it, go somewhere else. Doesn't fucking matter. You can always walk out the door and everything's going to be just the same. Alright, so stick around for this one. Country runs and banjo strums, they calling out your name. Been damn near half a year since the last time that it rained. Hotter than a kitchen, it's enough to go insane. Oh, go on and get it, what are you waiting for? City lives and trophy wives, how they love to complain about all the pop singers and how they all sound the same. When you got all that money, you're not worried about the fame. No, go on and get it, what are you waiting for? You only got one life to live. If you don't like the way it is, you can learn to forget and forgive. You can walk right out that door. You can walk right out that door. You can walk right out that door. And that sun will be shining just as bright as it always has before. As it always has before. Island time, the sun it shines damn near all the day. The people are always changing, the faces never stay the same. But when you're always on vacation, you're never worried about the rain. No, go on and get it, what are you waiting for? Mountain air is thin up there, it's beautiful and green. The snow-capped mountaintop bleeds right into the stream. When your head's in the clouds, oh, life is but a dream. Oh, go on and get it, what are you waiting for? You only got one life to live. If you don't like the way yours is, you can learn to forget and forgive. But you can walk right out that door. You can walk right out that door. You can walk right out that door. And that sun will be shining just as bright as it always has before. As it always has before. As it always has before. You can walk right out that door. That's a traveling song. Thank you for sticking around. Let's see. Actually, internet will be better because I don't do a lot of phone number stuff. But if we could follow each other on the internet, it'd be awesome. Are you cool with that? Like Instagram or something? Because then we can really keep in contact. I ignore every text message I get from a number when I get when I'm drunk. And that's just the truth. I'm not trying to be a bigger nigga. Yeah, let me see. We're gonna be friends right now. The internet exists